Hi, this is Rachelle Scrapcraftastic, and we are here to do a mid-year flip through in my PR and social media slash content planner. This planner is a DIY planner, half letter size, with metal discs from the Happy Planner, and the cover is from Live Love Posh. In this planner, I use printable inserts that are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons, and I start in the back and work my way up for the year. So January's in the back, and then the later months will be towards the front. That way, I don't have to flip through the whole planner to get to where I'm at. I also have these clear covers from Live Love Posh. These were the covers that I initially had on here, and I just added their Croco. I think this is the Croco cover. I just added that on top. Then I have these folders that are also tabs. I think these folders are tool folders. Then I just have some things stuck in them. Got some note paper. This is a printable. It's made to look like notebook paper, available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. Then this was a DIY dashboard with a clear pocket. Let's put something in the pocket so you can see. So it's got this pocket here. The pocket has gold leaf flakes in it. And this is a laminated clear dashboard. See there? Um, and it has pocket on both sides. All right, then we got some more of the notebook paper. This is what I was something that I was supposed to be doing, but never stuck to it. And it was a Facebook group post themes. So it was ideas for you to post every day. Made it or mindset Monday. Tuesday was trending. Wednesday was washy. Wednesday, what's new Wednesday or midweek. Thursdays are Throwback Thursday. Friday is Flashback Friday, Freebie Friday, or Finish It Friday. Saturday is Craft Day Saturday. And Sunday after the pen and before the pen. I never really did it, but I should get back into that. And that's some good posting themes for anywhere. So you could use the same type of theme on Instagram, Facebook, wherever you post, even Pinterest. Here's some more. I got quite a few of these Simply Gilded samplers throughout my planners, more notebook paper here, and then here we get into January. So I'm going to start at the beginning of January. This is what it looks like. There's the monthly. This is the horizontal digital. So from month to month, I may switch up from vertical to horizontal. And this month I chose horizontal. And these are stickers mainly from Isis Ella Jewels on these two spreads. Of course, washi tape from Simply Gilded and Cookie Sticker Co. This is from Let's Get Planned. And I think this is a mix of Let's Get Planned too. So that's it for January. Here's a dashboard. Actually, two dashboards. This is one, I think it was a freebie for January. Then we have this one here that was in the craft lab for February. And I also make the tabs myself too. They are printed on sticker paper, then I laminate them, then I use my Silhouette or Cricut to cut them. So this is the title page for February. This is the dashboard. I got a little note on there, but that's what the dashboard looks like. And on the inserts, there's usually a blank page of dot grid that you can put whatever you want here. I haven't been using them. I probably should, but I just haven't been. And this is the February spread for Black History. It was very monochromatic. And then here we go with the Valentine theme. This one is in pink from Isis Ella Jewels. So this is vertical this time. More Isis Ella Jewels. And the roses are from Fancy Budgeting. The doll is Let's Get Planned. More roses from Fancy Budgeting. Doll, Let's Get Planned. And I think that's it. Yep, that's February. Let's jump on over here to March. This is the intro page for March. And this is the monthly. And this is the week of Mardi Gras, using parts of a kit left over from the previous year from Let's Get Planned. This washi tape is simply gilded. This is the week of St. Patrick's. This is a journaling kit available to patrons. This doll is from Coco's Vision. She's from Coco's Vision too. All of these lovely florals are from Hell of a Plan. I didn't do anything. I started not doing anything because I was just uninspired, I think, but I still decorated. This is Let's Get Planned as well. And then that's it for March. Let's jump on over to April. This is the April title page. This is the April monthly doll from Isis Ella Jewels. Okay, here we go with Let's Get Planned. This is where I really just started not feeling it, and then boom, here is Crafty Planner Queen. I love these stickers. This is for the week of Easter, I think. Yeah, 420. Okay. Then this is another Crafty Planner Queen for the week of Earth Day, I believe. Again, I didn't write anything, and I think that's it for April. Let's go to May. I don't think I did anything in May. Well, just a little bit. These stickers are leftover stickers from the Halfway to Halloween kit. And then the new hexagon stickers available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. I came back and put one of those Cinco de Mayo, and then I didn't decorate any of these. I just let the month of May go. So for June, this is the, I don't know, random title page that I did. I added this dashboard. I don't think it really goes, but there, it's there. I should have done something more rainbow inspired. Okay, and then I do have something that I can use. I might switch this up and move her somewhere else. Also, I accidentally printed my June inserts on 20-pound paper. Normally, I print on 32-pound or sometimes 24, but usually 32. And I find that the heavier paper stays on the disc better. The lighter weight paper falls off the disc really easily. So if you have problems with your paper staying on the disc, that might be why. Try printing on a heavier paper, just FYI. I had never run into that issue because I've always been using 32-pound paper for my inserts or a heavier paper for my inserts. So when I accidentally forgot for the first time, I figured it out real quick. This is my June spread. It's got like a rainbow theme. I used the dolls to create a rainbow look. And if you want to see any of the Plan With Me videos for this, check out the other channel, Scrapcraftastic Plan With Me. That is where I'm doing all my Plan With Me type videos now. So if you need some inspiration or ideas for spreads, go over and check out that channel. I'll link to it in the description box below. This is another one. I knew I wasn't going to be using this planner, but I wanted to decorate. I wanted to re-energize myself and get back into the deco of the thing. And so I just went all out for the month of June with the deco, knowing that I was not going to write. So this is another week. The greenery here is from Kelva Plan, by the way. And it's mixed in with some journaling stickers from Scrapcraftastic Patreon. These stickers are floral stickers and dolls from Coco's Vision mixed in with some of the new shapes from Scrapcraftastic. This one is my favorite by far. This one I just went completely off the rails with it. But I love it so much. The floral stickers are from Coco's Vision. This doll is, I think both of these dolls are from Coco's Vision. The boxes are from the monthly kit, one of the monthly kits from the Scrapcraftastic Patreon. And I just think it all just came together really good, especially with the melanin washi from Cookie Sticker Co. Yeah, it really pops. This is another one that's really a favorite. I think between these two are my favorites. Definitely. So the Juneteenth and the rainbow for the win. The bulk of the deco stickers here are from an Etsy shop. So I printed them, resized them, They were clip art, and I resized them so that they could work as stickers. Again, I used leftover stickers from one of the monthly kits to do the layout on the page. These day of the week stickers are from Fancy Budgeting, and the dates are from Mojo Jojo Plans. The washi tape is from it's a throwback washi from Michaels. I think it's Shine Sticker Studio. Someone told me what it was, and I forgot already, but I think it's Shine Sticker Studio washi. And I got a few Happy Planner stickers thrown in there that work perfectly with it. Really like it a lot. Okay, so that is half of the year. So we got January through June, and I feel like a whole month of just worrying about doing the deco and not worrying about using it was a great thing to do. I think that worked out great for me because I am more energized to work in this planner now. So we will see what happens for the second half of the year. But I think I did pretty good. I only skipped technically 1 month, which was May, and I did do a little decorating, just not a lot. But I think I'm inspired to get back in here and work in this planner. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions about anything that I use, let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know which was your favorite spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Hey y'all, be sure to tune in to Real Talk Real Plans every Sunday night at 9 p.m. live on YouTube. And join us for the midweek check-in on Thursday night, 7:45 Eastern Standard Time on Instagram at Real Talk with Riri. Bye.